If you're looking for a great rotor at an entry-level price, then you should try the R1 Concepts E-Line blank rotors.
Rex, got to get his hand out of his pocket, that's fine.
My pocket,
but we're...
She's like a 20-something, 20.
You gotta go today. Like, just drive the wheels off this thing. Today's the day. The conditions will not get any better. Go.
If you're gonna go down, then you need to turn a little passenger and go down, but this side's gonna drop first.
George Garcia. This is my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, and we're out Nocateel Wells.
Like, what's the biggest thing for you about RWB? And he was like, traveling the world, meeting so many people.
Bucky's picked this one, so we gave it a shot.
Hey, what's going on? It's Rex from R1 Concepts. We're out here today at San Diego Parkway checking out Superfest 2024.
Hey guys, my name's Isaiah. This is my 2022 Toyota Tundra.
A 2023 Kia Sorento.
We're here at R1 Concepts getting a big brake kit done.
Our last SEMA build, it's nerve-wracking, you know, kind of down to the wire, but everything looks like it's going good, you know, brakes fit, brakes look good, car looks good.
Other side, give it.
Okay, needs to go in?
Yeah, more in. Okay, just in case. You tried it.
Drive the wheels off it. Let's go. It's time.
$79,000.
Are you kidding me?
Over. He said he's got this thing dialed, but you know, I always see his videos and I'm probably in for a wild ride.